Who can challenge me?
Hello guys, you cannot believe that Bible animated stories are making so much views and money on YouTube right now. This channel, it makes 8.6 million views, 73k views, and so more. This channel has 48k subscribers within 3 months. You can imagine how much it is making on this channel. This is another channel with 227k subscribers. And the video is getting so massive views. Come with me, let me show you one of my video I made on my YouTube channel that made me 200k views within a week.
The sun rose over the valley of Elah, casting golden light across two massive armies standing face to face. On one side were the Israelites, led by King Saul. On the other side stood the Philistines, their enemies for many years.
Of Israel.
Both armies were ready for battle, but fear had frozen the battlefield.
Who can
Every morning and every
The first step is to choose one of the Bible stories that is very interesting. In this video, I'll be working on the story of David and Goliath. Since I chose the story of David and Goliath, so I go to my ChatGPT and said, as a professional and experienced scriptwriter, help me to craft 1000 words transcript in plain English narrating the Bible story of David and Goliath. The script will be designed to be clear and engaging for the general audience, making it easy for everyone to understand. Even though they were unfamiliar with the story will have a clear structure with the beginning, middle, and end, focusing on the most important events and lessons. The tone will be approachable, relatable, captivating, and engaging, and ensuring viewers can connect with the message in a meaningful way. Then ChatGPT have written the story. As you can see, it has written the story of the David and Goliath. The next step is to tell ChatGPT to describe all the characters that will be in this story. So I said that ChatGPT describe all the characters in this story. Then I sent it. Now these are the characters in the story, starting from David, Goliath, Philistine, and every character that will be in the story. Third step, ask ChatGPT that how many scenes will be in the story. So ChatGPT will now tell me how many scenes that will be in that story. Now these are the scenes we will have in this story. Now this scene 1, scene 2 to like scene 7 or 12. The first step is to ask ChatGPT that how many image prompts do I need for this scenes. You need to ask this so that there won't be shortage of image prompts. So that ChatGPT now has listed the number of image prompts that I will need in this story. I now tell ChatGPT to generate the image prompts for me. So I said, since we need 2 to 4 image prompts for each scene, give me 3D pizza style image prompts for all the 12 scenes. Make sure to include the character description for image consistency. So always put the prompts in this way so that ChatGPT can generate the image prompts and the character consistency for you. Now it has added the image consistency. You will see now it has described how David is. It said David is a young Hebrew shepherd. He described Goliath too. He described King Saul and other characters. We need this so that their face will not be changing when you are generating the image. This is our image prompts now. Prompt 1, prompt 2, prompt 3. So the next thing now is to be copying it and go to where we will generate our images. You can still tell ChatGPT to remove all the titles from the image prompts so that it will be easier for you to copy like this. Now we need to go and generate our voiceover. We will be using Google AI Studio because it is very, very free. Then just type Google AI Studio on your browser. Then click on the first link. Then click on Generate Speech. After that, then click on where you see turn text into natural sounding speech. Then it will bring you to this interface. This is the interface whereby you will copy your prompt and input your prompt into. But you can still change some things like the voice of the voiceover. You can always change the voice, the tone. If If you want to change the speaker, the tone, you can click on where you see that speaker settings. Then you can only change the voice there. Just click on it and change the voice. You can as well change the accent if you don't like it, or everything is there. Just change it to what you like. Now go to your ChatGPT and copy all those stories. This first story we generated from the ChatGPT. Then go and paste it in that space in that Google Studio. Then after pasting it, click on run. Then wait for the voiceover to be generated for you immediately.
Both armies were ready for battle, but fear had frozen the battle. Every morning and every evening.
Now to generate our images, we'll be using Google Flow AI. Now to generate our image, go to Google browser and type Google Flow AI. Click on the first link, then click on Create with Flow. Then after that, click on New Projects. Then it will display where you will paste your prompts. Then you can click on that nano banana to change it. Maybe you want to be using it for YouTube or Facebook. You can choose 9:16 or 16:9, depending on what you want. Then go to ChatGPT to copy the first image prompt. Then paste it here and click enter. Then it will automatically generate your first image. Now it has generated our first image. So that's how you'll be copying it one after the other till you generate all the images. Now on your browser, our video will be using Google VIDs. On your browser, type Google VID. Click on the first link. Then you will need to sign in. You can use your Google account to sign in. You will see this interface. Close it and go to the right hand side. Then click on VEO3. Once you click on VEO3, then click on that down arrow button. Then click on animate image. Click on add image. Then it will take you to the gallery of your phone or your laptop. Then select the image. Maybe this image 7 or image 2 you want to animate. Then click on it inside your phone. Then go to ChatGPT to copy the prompt image of that image. Maybe it is prompt 7. You know you have put image 7 and go and copy prompt 7 and paste. Then paste it inside that space and click generate. Now our video has started to generate.
Who can